Hello champion and welcome to our channel. God bless you for choosing to watch our videos. If today is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed, neither have you followed our videos or our channel, please do that now. If you have already subscribed or if you have already followed us, then do well also to like our videos, comment, and then share our videos with your friends so that your awesome friends can also have the chance to learn from us. We appreciate them so much, and so will come in with your contributions, your compliments, and your suggestions. We appreciate them, and it also helps us to be able to share wonderful content to many people outside, and also energizes us to create lot and lot of quality content for you. So do that now. So just as I promised you that I was going to do, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this EVD to all network, so you can have it registered on one SIM, and then you can be able to buy data or sell airtime to either Airtel to Go, MTN or Vodafone. So let's get straight into action. The first thing is this platform is called One4All. It allows you to sell airtime, do airtime selling business. You don't actually require any special SIM, just your ordinary SIM that you are using, and then you have to be registered before you use this service. Send me your number to this number on the screen, and then I'll register you so that you can be able to use the service. The second thing is that you get 4% profit when you sell airtime or data on the app. You can also register people, and then you can also sell e-credit on the platform. So this is for the business minds. Those of you who are thinking of doing business, every airtime you sell you get 4%, every data you sell you get 4%. You can also register other people, even though I'm doing it for you for free. You can register people and then charge them like 5 cedis. It's up to you. And then you can also sell e-credit, so you can load lot of e-credit into your wallet and then you can sell it to people. The next thing that I'm going to talk to you about is explaining the menu to you. So we are going to use one USSD *161*1#, and then I'm going to use this SIM. So once I open it, it shows you that you have come to the One4All unit transfer service. The first one says that you can sell airtime, the second one says sell data, the third one says your account, and so you create the account for you, e-credit, register retailers, and then exit. So once I register you, you also have a support service number here. Once I register you, you can also register other people. So just first communicate with me, let me register you, and then you get it. Over here, what we are going to do is to take you through the various ways. So if you want to sell airtime, you just dial this code and then you come to option number 1, send airtime. So once I go to option number 1, I'll just have to enter the mobile number that I want to send the airtime to. Okay, so once you have entered the particular number, you just tap on send next, and then you enter the amount that you want to send to the person. Once you have done that, it will ask you to enter your pin, and then you enter the pin that you have set. So when I finish registering you, I'll give you a default pin, and then you can change the pin. In fact, not that you can change the pin, try and change the pin, please. So I'm going back to the portal so that I'll be able to show you the other part of it. Because there's no back, I would have to come back all the time. Okay, so over here you can pay with MTN mobile money, Airtel to Go, whichever network that you are using, you can use that to pay, and that is what it is. Over here, the next thing is to sell data. You just have to choose the second option. and then you can choose which one you want to buy, the data, the number that you want to. Just follow the same procedure. Just follow the same procedure. I didn't want to come here because once I come here I will not be able to go back. So if I want to buy for Airtel to go, I will just have to choose. If the person is using MTN that I want to buy the data for, I will just have to choose. If it is Vodafone, I would have to choose. So that is also what it is. I'm going to go back so that is to learn how to buy e-credit, or how you can top up for yourself. So once you enter the USSD, you would have the opportunity to top up, and then that one is the option number 4. So e-credit. If I tap on e-credit, and then it will tell me I want to buy e-credit. So yes, I want to buy e-credit, so I choose option 1. And then if it is to my number, or I want to buy it for another person, it will also let me know. So if I want to buy it for myself, I'll just enter how much I want to buy, how much e-credit I want to buy. I'll just enter it here, and then once it loads, it will be processed, and then I'll be asked to authorize it, and then the e-credit will be deposited to my account. That is how simple it is. You would have to go and do MTN approval or whatever approval, depending on the network you are using, so that the payment will be done successfully. In as much as we did over here, if you have to send it to another person too, you just have to go to another user, and then you continue from there. You can also share it, and I believe by now you have seen it. You just go to the portal, and then you choose option number 4, which is e-credit. Once you have finished choosing the e-credit, you just have to go on to share, and then you just have to, because there's no back, that is why I didn't. So you choose option 2, which says share, and then that is what I am talking about. I have a PDF that I have done, so if you want to get the PDF also, just let me know. I'll send a PDF to you. So you enter the recipient's number. The recipient should be a registered member, and then you enter the amount, and then you add your PIN, and that is all. And last thing that you do, you know how to approve. So you just go to your mobile money account, and then go to my approvers, and then approve whatever transaction it is. And then now that you are also a member, I'll teach you how you can register someone. So you just have to get the person's number. The person should be ready to join, please. If not, no benefits. Please don't do some things that doesn't benefit. Just go to option number 5, and then enter the person's number. Once you have entered the person's number, it will ask you to assign a code, a PIN for the person. Mostly I will just use whatever code that I use. I will just send it to the person, and then tell the person that I have sent you, this is the code that I used. And after you have successfully registered the person, you are going to see a screen like this. That you have successfully registered the person. So this is how it works, and this is very simple. You can also do this. I didn't charge, but it depends on you. It's your business. You decide what you want to do. See you on the other side.